Hey, look, I'm famous in Korea. That's me.
Right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Guys, if I don't upload this video, you know I didn't make it. Today we are in the beautiful Busan, and Busan will always have a special place in my heart. The reason is because on my 30th birthday, Angel flew my entire family down into Busan and surprised me. Here's the video.
What's this?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Happy birthday!
Why are you here? Oh my god! So today's plan is to go to a art village, and then we're gonna grab some food, buy stuff for Angel, and then we head back to the ship. Let's go! So how did I do? Was I like brave enough to vlog in public with like people standing around me? Hey, do you guys want any drinks? Yeah. What? You want any drink? No. In the middle of the streets. What? Are we lost?
Somewhere.
Yeah, we are lost.
No, we're not.
Are we lost?
Yeah, we're clearly not.
Are we lost? We are lost! No! Just doing touristy stuff. So yeah. Been to Busan like a million times, never done this before. The views, amazing. More to come. Okay, holy shit. That is so creepy. Hi. What? Are those real people legs or? Ducks. Okay. Mimi, is that you? How do you get down to that? That's so creepy.
How did you? Okay.
This is like really violent as well, right?
Yeah.
Come.
I'm too fat.
No, you're not. Come. I'll show you the way.
Oh no.
Go inside.
Holy shit, what the
Hello, Jeremy. Hello, Jeremy. Say something.
안녕하세요. I'm grateful you are alive. Please don't freaking move. That's some creepy ass shit.
Wait.
This is a weird little coffee place that we found. It's like a camera. Women's toilet. And we're supposed to feed the ducks with this. So there's some sound coming from that side. Just goes everywhere. Hello.
Can we go out?
I am kind of scared actually.
I like that there's like a beautiful song and then there's that, you know.
And then a murder spot.
Right.
I feel we are coming to the door and there's no way out, and they are going to kill us all. And this is. Have you seen like?
Squid Game.
Pasa tú primero. I love this house. I love this place.
Yes.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ya había para arriba. Ya había para arriba. Entonces
Anyway, this is the weirdest place I have ever been to. This is yours?
Yeah.
Oh my god, how many years were you?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's incredible.
yeah, you make my day.
No, yeah, this is the best place ever.
Thank you.
And the coffee is great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Which one is the watermelon coffee?
coffee.
Not watermelon coffee. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is amazing.
감사합니다.
Oh my god, he was making this for 2 years.
Okay, here's the verdict on watermelon coffee. Watermelon coffee. It's so good. Try it if you don't mind. Try it.
Oh shit.
How good is that? Try it.
Watermelon coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, they took it.
All COVID.
It's so weird. It's good. Yeah. It's good.
It takes you a second.
Oh my god,
So
yeah,
weird,
the
but it's
taste,
so good, right?
it develops in your mouth.
Yeah. Anybody else?
Yes.
Yes. Dozo.
Oh wow. It is. It tastes
Watermelon coffee. It's my favorite coffee now. It was the weirdest ass place ever. But they have very good coffee and you can feed ducks and stuff. So good. Nice.
It's Pepsi.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Bye-bye.
It's always a joy to be back in Busan, Korea, and today was a very fruitful day as well. Great food, great company. Thank you for watching. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.